Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use voice mode on your ChatGPT account. So let's get straight into it. Now it's the same on any platform, so on your desktop, on your web browser. So what you need to do, just log in into your account, and then let's say we want to create a new chat. All right. And now we see here the new chat. So what you need to do now is basically click on waveform icon. So this is this one right here, multiple vertical lines located right here. What you going to do now? So you will click on it. Now it will say, so basically you need to confirm the some rules that you allow, microphone access and so on. So here we choose the sound. So let's say this one, start new chat. Right. What we need to do now is turn microphone on. So we need to do that. I will allow it right here. So if you don't have it, you can at the top left corner right here where you see chatgpt.com, you can allow it. So like that. I can select now my microphone. It's working now. So now that it works, you can see here that it listens to us now what we are talking about. And yeah, this will do it after that. So it will take the voice notes, listen and write it down right here into here in this chat area. And then what you can do, you can just send prompt and ChatGPT will start thinking what you have just said, what you have ordered to him to do. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Now you can also talk with him. So you can basically speak with AI like some kind of person. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.